Hello students, these are the next two exercises from chapter number 10, Halving, part 2. Exercise number 44 and 45. Let's start with exercise number 44. Be ready. Start. We have issued a booklet which gives details of the new automatic toaster we have just put on the market. You can secure a copy of this booklet as well as our latest catalog by writing for them. We make absolutely no charge. I have submitted an estimate for doing the job, but they have not yet notified me that they will accept my bid. This item is listed in the catalog at 4 guineas. If you remit in 5 days, you can deduct 2%. We have not yet received the goods invoiced by you on 4th May. We hope that you will get them to us by next Tuesday at the latest, as we are quite out of stock of some of these items. Why has the firm kept us waiting for the steel sheets? They stated in a recent note that the sheets had actually left the factory. If they did ship them when they said, the sheets should have arrived by now. Next is exercise number 45 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. We are sorry that you could not use the stockings we sent you a few days ago. Our stock of the exact shade you specified was exhausted, so we sent instead a similar shade and style. We had no doubt that you could use them, but we should not have shipped them without first writing to you. If you wish, they may be sent back to us and we shall cancel the charge. So these are the next two exercises from chapter number 10, Halving part 2. Exercise number 44 and 45. Thanks for watching this video. Share, drop a like, सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.